This is a seagull feeding frenzy. These guys are good, except there's one out there not doing anything. But they're dive bombing and they're all coming up with these little cute silver fish. One of them dropped one earlier. But yeah, they're all going nuts out there. Yeah. This is fun to watch. Michelle and I are just enjoying it. Some of the waves just came out back there. Oof.
What was that?
Hit a little small bug. This is crazy. Got one.
It's like seagull feeding time or something.
Whoop. That one just changed his course.
I wonder why.
And this guy still isn't doing anything. That's so cool. You mean all this time they come and bother us for food and, you know, stuff like that? Like when we're at Bay Beach and they want our food.
Yeah, they can.
And they want popcorn. They can go right here and yeah, they can go out in the water and obviously they're good hunters and, you know, fishermen, fisher birds. So this is how we're spending our entertaining afternoon. This is great, our morning. They're actually pretty graceful. Until they pick you up out of the water and eat you.